heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
What is going on? It's your boy Ski from Side Hustle Do TV, this channel that's all about health and wealth. And today I'm going to tell you the story about a time where I lost $13,000 in Bitcoin. So let's get into it. So, story time. It was roughly November of, early November. And if you look at the price of Bitcoin, it was going for about $15,500. I was about to deploy for a couple months, and I was really sketched out by the US dollar. Still am today, by the way. And I had some money that I wanted to park somewhere, and because I was concerned about the value of the US dollar. Still am, by the way. And I've never been like a huge Bitcoin guy.
Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero.
I always try to stay as diverse as I can or whatever, but I had about $5,000 that I wanted to park somewhere for about 60 days until I could purchase another rental property. My first option that I thought that I was going to buy some gold. I've never bought precious metals before, so the first website that I called, they said you needed $10,000, and I didn't quite have that to put down on the gold or whatever. So I was like, what am I gonna do? I really don't want to leave this money in a bank. Mind you, I found a website since then that have been able to, you can buy gold for much cheaper, but this particular one, you needed $10,000. So I was like, well, what about Bitcoin? I've never been a Bitcoin guy. I never disbelieved in it or whatever, but the more I got to thinking about it, I was like, I think I actually trust the value, the intrinsic value of Bitcoin more than I do of the US dollar currently. So I put $5,000. I bought Bitcoin. Transaction went through. I got a confirmation. Transaction went through. 2 days later, my bank denied the transaction. At this time, my phone broke while I was deployed in my laptop. So I had no form of communication. I had no way of knowing that this happened. Fast forward to now, mid-January, I literally pressed confirm transaction. I got a confirmation. Fast forward, the price of Bitcoin is anywhere from $35,000 to $40,000.
Heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero.
Take a slide, find your zone every day.
And the worst part is I literally had the cojones to do it. I literally did it. And had it worked like I literally told it to, it would have been a $13,000 profit. So I know you're thinking, oh Devin, you didn't actually lose the money. Well, kind of did. It's not in my pocket. It should be in my pocket. But I'm not bitter about it. But I'm buying some Bitcoin now, but I'm just being more diverse with everything. Buying some a lot of S&P 500 stock. I have, real estate and a lot of dividend stocks, and I have a little bit of Bitcoin as well. But I don't want to, just put all my money on black and have the FOMO, fear of missing out. So I'm just going to take this L on the chin. But overall, I do believe in Bitcoin. I believe that the price is going to continue to rise as people are more and more scared of, the dollar. I don't think it's the end all be all like some people, but I think, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing this for entertainment purposes, but I think the best advice would be to be as diverse as you can. With stocks, bonds, Bitcoin, gold, precious metals, real estate. Be diverse. That way, if one thing takes a huge L, you're not like just out a whole bunch of money. I knew a guy, I had a friend who he literally, his first stock ever, he bought Tesla when it was at like $1,200, and he bought like whole shares of Tesla, and then it went to $300 like a week later. I would recommend being diverse. Actually, what I did was reckless. I just happened to would have got lucky, but I didn't get lucky. You get the picture. But hope you guys enjoyed this story. If you guys like this, please subscribe, comment, share. I'll be posting more videos like this, as well as business tricks and tips in the comments down below. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, get you a free stock, use my link below. And I also have Webull. They're giving away 4 stocks, so use my code below. Thanks.